chose a career in consulting for the variety that it offers. I knew that I didn't want to sit in the office doing the same thing day after day after day after day. And after doing some research, I found that consulting does provide you with the opportunity to do project-based work.
My internship really helped me understand consulting work because on day 2 of my internship, I was at a client. I was moving forward. I was really involved working with other Accenture employees and working with the client.
Well, I was actually on campus when one day I went to one of the info sessions for Accenture, and after meeting them and getting to know what we do, I was just immediately hooked.
Our clients tend to be large companies, government entities, and nonprofit organizations. So if they have an issue that they want to address or they want to make their business better, they'll ask a consultant to come in and help them with this.
I think of consultants as problem solvers. In my engineering classes, I learned a set of equations and looked at previous problems to try to figure out how to solve a problem at hand. And consultants do things similarly.
The range of problems that I was going to solve in consulting was much more broad and much more diverse than in a traditional engineering career. And that's what appealed to me about Accenture.
If you were a traditional electrical engineer and you worked at an aerospace company building airplanes, you may just work on the wiring. In consulting, you see the whole project life cycle and work on many different aspects of bringing a solution from design through to deployment and implementation.
Typically, with the engineering company, you do the same thing day in and day out. As a consultant, I'm able to build different skills and different skill sets.
Different projects, different roles, you do different things. So I've done everything from testing software to training clients on the software to doing project management.
One of the things that stands out for me about engineering students when I go representing Accenture for recruiting is that they are people that are able to adapt to many things.
You have to figure out where to look to find an answer, and if you don't have enough information, who to ask to get that information. And those skills that I learned through engineering has really helped me be more independent in my project.
My engineering degree helped me see everything more in a process way, to see ways I can improve and optimize the time people put into different things just to get the end product delivered.
And that mindset and that way of thinking can be applied to any industry. But it's most helpful with consulting because you're dealing with so many different problems over the course of working for so many different clients.
My first project with Accenture was with a company that manufactured automobile dashboard components. And being that I've had a mechanical engineering degree, it gave me more credibility at the client side.
Being able to connect with the client, talk the same language, understand some of the technical activity and language that was going on so that they would know that I was coming in with knowledge to be able to help them prove a solution.
Having spent time in the lab and conducted experiments gave me the additional credibility necessary to not only interface with the scientists and doctors at a technical level, but to suggest enhancements that would not have been otherwise noted.
I am proud and I love about Accenture the fact that they are very inclusive of diversity. It is really great just to come to a project scene and just be able to work with people from different backgrounds.
That's actually what makes us the best, because we're able to get all those different points of views, put them together to actually bring the solution to the client.
You get to work for a company that prides itself on corporate service, being environmentally friendly, and has a strong sense of ethics.
There are always volunteer opportunities for employees, and it's exciting to see how much people get involved.
I know when I tell someone that I work at Accenture, I know that comes with a level of credibility that I don't know I could have gotten anywhere else.
At Accenture, I'm well respected, my input is valued, and I'm applying what I learned. And to me, that makes for a great career.